So today we have received one question that IoT developer बनना क्या really worthwhile और demanding career है या नहीं? Could you please explain me about that so that it will help me out for my further career? So for this question, I would like to give the answer in three different categories. What are those? First and foremost, I will give it to you what they do, what exactly IoT developer do. Thereafter, second one is obviously about the demanding career or not, worthwhile career or not. By pursuing IoT developer, is it worthwhile or not? And third and last one is average salary. What does it look like, the salary structure after becoming an IoT engineer or the developer? So for this, without further delay, let's dive into this. Now coming to the point, what they do, what is their exact day-to-day life look like? They focus on connecting the devices and the smart systems with the various applications. Okay, what does it mean exactly? I would like to give the detailed explanation about that. IoT developers is the Internet of Things. That means हम चीजों को applications है, for example home appliances है. Consider the home appliances in the kitchen or the home appliances in the home, right? There are multiple different appliances out there on a day-to-day basis. We want to, for example, consider best example is a Google Alexa by Google, right? This is a product by the Google. What exactly this product do on a day-to-day basis? It helps you for the connecting your whole home in one single click or through the voice command or by your mobile application, and so you can check it out and you can navigate and manage all of the home appliances and each and everything within your home. For example, you say, "Hi Alexa, I want to turn on or switch on the main light of the living room, or the dim light it is there, or you want to switch on the air conditioning." This is called the Internet of Things. See, this has happened because of that you have given the certain guidelines, certain commands to the Google Alexa that is already fit in the system. They have created a proper systematic approach. और ये सब चीजों का जो applications create करता है, manage करता है, उसको Internet of Things, that is IoT developer या engineer कहते हैं. And is it really worthwhile? Yes, it is worthwhile. It is demanding career. Why? Think about that. Previously, we were doing all the processes manually and we cannot able to manage. For example, somebody is just working 9 to 5 job and he wants something, or he wants to have an air conditioning temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius by reaching to the home. Then how is it possible to manage those things? It is possible. If he's or she is working in an office and 18 to 20 degrees Celsius of temperature, then she will automatically turn on her or his car vehicle to same degree temperature. At the same time, he can give the instruction to the Alexa by the navigation of Internet of Things, by the help of Internet of Things, and it will really help him out or help her out, so that she will get respective temperature within timeline. There are multiple different applications out there. There are a lot of different things is happening with the help of IoT, irrespective of whichever industry. I have just given one example, that is हम home appliances या manage कैसे कर सकते हैं हम day-to-day life in a home. That is only one thing I have given it to you. But there are multiple applications out there on a different sector, different industries out there, right? So these are some of the things which I have given to you, and it is really demandable career for the further future self. You can explore it. Third aspect is that obviously you asked me about that. What is the average salary look like after becoming an IoT engineer or after completing your graduation, undergraduation? How can I expect the average salary? That ranges around 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. In between that range, you can consider as a paying scale for you. And I think so this is perfect. Not a think so, but if you really wants to pursue something differently into the computer engineering, and if you really wants to have the understanding of coding and understanding of internet and all of these things, you want to pursue something, that is IoT developer, आप एक career options select कर सकते हो या choose कर सकते हो या consider कर सकते हो. There are multiple aspects out there, and if you have certain doubts or you want to explore some other career opportunity, what are those different professions available, then comment down. I will try to explore as much as possible, and I will give the detailed orientation about that and detailed guide about that. Okay, I hope that's helped you out, and I wish you all the best.